Tired of juggling multiple apps and cards just to send or receive money? Let's simplify your life by linking your bank account directly to your PayPal app for effortless transactions. First, make sure you have the latest version of the PayPal app installed on your phone. You can download or update it from your app store. Now, open the app and tap on your profile icon, typically located in the top corner of your screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Look for the option labeled Bank Accounts and Cards and tap on it. On this screen, you'll see all your linked cards and bank accounts. To add a new one, tap on Link a Bank Account. Here, you can either search for your bank by name using the search bar, or you can scroll through the list of popular banks. Once you find your bank, tap on its name. You'll be redirected to a secure login portal provided by your bank. Enter your online banking username and password. This information is securely transmitted directly to your bank and not stored by PayPal. You might be prompted to choose which type of account you're linking, checking or savings. Select the appropriate option. Review the information to make sure everything is correct, and then confirm the link. And that's it. Your bank account is now linked to your PayPal app. You can now easily send and receive money, make online purchases, and transfer funds, all from one convenient place. Enjoy seamless transactions with the added security of PayPal's protocols.